Hello, today my grandma is going to cook a very special famous dish with a vegetable called Tinday in Urdu, or in India it's called ran gourd or apple gourd or Indian baby pumpkin.
There are 3 different ways of putting in to make the dish. One is where you can put in meat.
Another one is where you put you make it with curry. Third one is the one that my grandma is going to make, which is with I think it's with masala. You fill masala inside the vegetable. The tinday is a very healthy vegetable, and my grandma is going to be making it with masala inside. So let's see how she makes it. My grandma will wash these tinday very thoroughly. Then she will take the skin off, like done here.
After peeling off the skin, you do not cut it full, you only cut half of it, and then you have to cut half of it again. And inside you will see some seeds which you have to take out.
Okay, so now my grandma is going to peel it like that. You can use a skin peeler or you can use a knife, but you should always ask a grown-up to assist you.
So this is the way you peel it off. So you curl it around while you're
These bits over here, you have to cut them off as well.
And then you curl around.
My grandma has finished cutting these tindays. She's going to skin off the skin of these onions. So these tinday, she's going to do 3. She's going to for the next step you have to skin 3 onions like so and wash it thoroughly. Like yeah. Now, here's the basket of the tindays that she's cut in the middle here like that, and also skinned off and washed. These tinday weigh approximately 1 kilogram or over. So now she's going to cut these onions in half and then take bits off. My grandma has cut these 3 large onions. She has begun to wash these tomatoes. 2 big tomatoes that she's using, and I think she will be cutting them off. She will take the seeds out and cut it into little pieces. grandma has cut these tomatoes, you can add whatever you like, and we have added 4 or 5 chilies cut up, green chilies cut up with the tomatoes. Now you should wash your hands thoroughly, and we've got 10 cloves of garlic, and it's crushed garlic and it's frozen, so we're going to be using this. We've also got ginger cubes, which are also crushed up, that we're going to be using as well. So that's how it comes in, and we're going to be using it because it's made like this. We have to wait for it to melt now. Now my grandma is going to put
1 spoon of salt.
1.5
spoons of salt.
Now she is going to add some chili powder on top of it. She's going to add about 1 spoon. No, 1 spoon or 1.5 approximately. Now she will add
some mustard powder.
She will add about 1.5 as well. Approximately 1.5. Now she will add. Now my grandma will add some cumin seeds, which is called zira in Urdu. She will add.
Now she's added coriander seeds into this mixture. 2 spoons of coriander seed.
For the zira, she added 1 spoon. We will add all the ingredients into the chopper. We've got the onions, the chilies, the tomatoes, the masala is over here as well. Now we will mix it all up together in the chopper. Time to add the melted ginger garlic.
And we're gonna do that ginger
And we will also finally we will add the masala here into the blender.
Leave me. And we have 2 and 6. And we have 6 melons and 3 crocodiles
As well.
And we're gonna try
Now we will add some frozen coriander.
Mommy, I'm doing something. Stop pulling me. You're bad. Get from my gun. So,
3 spoons of coriander will be enough.
and we have 7 laundry.
Now is for the fun part where we add the masala inside the vegetable. We add it in all the spaces where we've made. We will fill it generously to make sure that all the the vegetable is filled with masala. Once we have filled it in, you will put it on the side and carry on. Remember to take the seeds out of all of them.
So now we filled all of the Tinday with the masala, and we filled them properly all everywhere. And this is how they look like.
Now I think we will fry them in a frying pan. Now that we have turned the stove onto medium and we are about to add the oil, we are going to fry these nearly finished things. So here we add the oil. We are going to now let the oil be for a few minutes. We have also turned the stove up to make it more hot. Now we will add the masala filled tinday into the scorching hot oil. It will gradually fry these tindays. Now, make sure to ask an adult to help you while you're doing this, for the oil will be very hot. Now add the remaining masala around the tindays that the masala that we made, the leftover masala that we made before. Now we will wait until 30 to 45 minutes until this is cooked. Guys, let's see how our food is going. It looks good. It looks like it smells fresh and yummy. It tastes so good. It's got all the spices just bursting out, and then it's got the tinday, which is so soft and yummy.
This is great.
I love this dish because it's
got like a nice spice inside, and it's got a really good flavor. So got a little bit of pumpkin, and then get a little bit of masala.
So the tinday dish was very yummy because I liked the way it was actually a very easy dish to make, and also I liked it because it was very yummy for its lots of spices, and it's like got all the flavors. So if you make it, then you can taste all the ingredients that you've added into it. And the Tinday was the special part because it was soft and it was easy to chew and it wasn't like sticky. So I would rate this out of 10. 10 out of 10.
And so for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed making this this curry with us.
Please try and make it yourself at home. Bye for now.
Bye.